Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's go over the trades taken this morning in the live trading room. I would like to wish you all a happy New Year. This is the first trading day back for the New Year, so hope you guys had a good day and got off on the right foot. I had a nice little break here. I got to work with a few of my members one-on-one and basically get everybody ready to go, get their trading plan on track, do any tweaking that we needed to going into the new year. We were hoping that the volatility would pick back up. That it did. We had pretty good volume today in the market, provided some really great trading opportunities in the live trading room. Let's just go ahead and go over some of the positions we were looking at today. As the market opened up here, there's the S&P. Here's basically our whole morning session from 8 a.m. all the way to 11 a.m. here in the live trading room. So here in the S&P, we had lots and lots and lots of trading opportunities. We opened up early this morning. We were nice and patient. We created a game plan saying, hey, if we're able to drop below this previous day's low, that's what this red line is, we're going to be ready. Any type of momentum opportunities, I'm going to look for shorting opportunities in the market. So with that being said, right out of the gate here this morning, we had a drop. We took an opportunity. Now, what we have here, guys, a couple different colored circles. The green represents orders I placed but did not get filled on, and then the magenta are ones that we did get filled on. So, turned out to be a really great day in the trading room today. We took some really nice profits. Great start to a new year, but here early on, we took one opportunity here just after 9 o'clock. All these times are central, so 9:01, if you'd like to go back and look at your own charts, you can review some of the positions we had on and some of the momentum plays and maybe see if it ties in with what you saw today. So here at 9:01, we had a position that we were one tick away from a fill. Another one, which we actually touched our order for a fill here. That one came at 8:30, and then just before 9 o'clock here, first fill actually came right here at 9:01. We were able to get a little small profit out of that, managed the way it did. Rolled over, we were two ticks away from a fill here, just before 9:30, and then another fill at 9:43 for a nice short. Made a point out of that one. Even though it didn't continue to drop here, we're still able to manage a point. Once we got into the market, it dropped 5 to 6 ticks in our direction. We started to lock in a free trade. As it retested the swing low, we locked in a point. Very typical trail method, which we'll use in the live trading room. Did not quite get our final target, but still able to muster out a point on this. We were definitely not looking at any longs. All the momentum was definitely to the short side. Extremely weak market internals. So as this market kind of leaked its way to the upside, we were just patient. Patiently waiting for this thing for more selling to come in. That happens. Put another order out here. Did not quite get filled here at 5 after 10. But then we did get a fill at 10:08 for a nice 3-point move. Took another fill here. We took a small stop. Market just could not get the momentum, so we ended up taking a small stop there. Waited for this market to roll over again here, and this next profit came at 10:17 for this order for another 2.5 points on that one as well. And then another one right here, we took a small stop here right before the close, but nonetheless, some really great trading. After all that, we did have two final targets, a couple small winners, and then them two small stops end up making up for a pretty nice day here. But if you noticed, we were only looking at shorting opportunities. We weren't trying to pick the bottom here. We weren't trying to fight against all this momentum that was coming down on the market. So if you guys look at the market internals, extremely weak on the day, and there wasn't a chance that I was going to be looking for anything long. So let's go ahead and pull up a daily chart. I'll just leave it on this. We'll just pull up a daily chart and talk about possibly what we see moving forward here. As you see, we got all these circles here, but if you were to kind of look around them and not pay too close attention, we had a nice drop here. We were trying to decide whether or not this market was ready to get a bounce to the upside or not, and we used that previous day's lows as our judge here. So as we broke through that previous day's lows and market internals, everything was weak. There was only one direction I was looking. Going into tomorrow, I'll continue to look at today's low, meaning that's still the previous day's lows, but it'll be today's lows. And if we're able to trade down below today's lows, I'm only going to be looking to the short side early on. But if we find some buyers in here, we're able to get in charge, we stay above the previous day's highs, most likely my trading opportunities will come to the upside. So momentum is still long here on a daily chart. We can see that very clearly. But let's watch that previous day's low. Day trading allows us to trade both directions depending on what the market momentum is for the day. If we stay above today's lows, there's a good chance the buyers are going to kick back in after we've had such a nice pullback here in the markets. You see, once the buyers caught in, we really had a nice move there last week and then early on in the most recent pullback. So should make for some really good opportunity. The volume is absolutely back. I would say the volume is absolutely back. We were trading actually pretty good volume today, especially for a Monday. So it was a very, very active day. Not very often do I trade, at least, especially on a Monday, guys, take this many trading opportunities. Just looking back at what we did today, if I zoom out here, just looking at the circles, we were talking about this today. Lots and lots of trading opportunities. We took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 orders. Now, I only got filled on 6 of them, but even that is still very, very good trading for me on a Monday. Okay, I usually get filled on about 2 to 5 trades a day, and that's just the 3-hour morning shift. But taking 10 opportunities was really an active day, and I pretty much envision that to continue moving forward. So going into tomorrow, I really expect some really good trading opportunities. Today was an awesome start to the new year, and I see nothing but good things ahead of us. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and get a hold of me, Adam at directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.